Pictionary game here, and we will play this. Let's open the box. So in the top there is a Pictionary board and inside two pencils, one dice, four cubes, black, blue and red. Hourglass, but it's broken. Categories? 4 categories card, and that hourglass that's broken. Oh, I'll just use a sample. Paper, pad, paper, scratch. Yeah. And lastly, but not the least, I did get Pictionary cards. So we'll start the game. Okay, we go in there, CC. You have your own category card and my category card. And what color or yellow? I want color blue. Yeah. Get your own pencil, and I have my own pencil. And the scratch paper, you got one, and I have my own too. Never mind it. No, let's share one card. Okay, we used one. This one. Yeah. So, what do you first? No. Okay, here, let's put it. Okay, roll the dice. I'll reach first. So my turn first. You got me 2. And 4. I'm the first one. So, what's the start? Oh, 1. No! Oh, so let's pick it. It's object. Secret. I don't know this one, so let's see. No. Okay. I think this one. So now this one. Wait, I'll just do this. And I'll just put my name. Should be big, not small. Yeah, that's okay. In 3, 2, 1. Stop it! Why? No. Not you. Sorry. I'm done. Okay, stop. Give me 1 minute first. You should cover it first. In 3, 2, start. With? No. I'll set the countdown. Go! With, no. Seaweed. No. Last chance. No.
Sibo.
This is joking.
Siba, sisihan.
Hey, don't step in the camera. seconds. Turn? No. 20 seconds. Seconds. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is fine. What? Stop fine. In my plan. May I see? No, me first. Okay, just give it to me. Okay. So roll the dice in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In P. So first, not place or random. It's place or animal. No, I can't. So nervous going. Look. This one. We'll put it in the middle, put it in the very last. What is it? No, not this one. I first put, I think. I'll just make a spoon. No, don't mix. Where? Find it. Beep, 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 beep. Here's what I picked. Okay. This is good. Ow. Hey! The time!
Oh! Ito, saglit lang. Oo.
In 3, 2, 1, start! Hey, it's not starting. In 3, 2, 1, start. Shut up. 50 seconds.
Nasaan si
30 seconds. Just 40 seconds.
Para bumalik yung 1 month mo, dapat nilibre mo ako ganun.
Hey,
Pag hindi mo ako nilibre, wala.
do not speak in Filipino.
Bakit?
Tagalog.
Ano pa, German?
Yeah.
German Shepherd. Aso ka.
No, I'm not a German. Okay. I'm done. Okay, there's the timer.
Pinakakan.
In 3, 2,
Masarap.
1.
Bayaran raw ni Honey yung dalawa.
Carbow?
Ay, bayaran raw ni Honey yung dalawa. Ay, hindi, yung tatlo. O, tatlo kinuha ko. Sige, may
How?
iwan ulit.
Wait. Tamalaw. Nope. Wait, I'll just go first. Bull! Yeah! I got it! I have 1 point. Okay, wait, I'll just go my score. Wait, no, it's not.
Bayaran ni Honey. Magkano ba to? 369.
Hey! So, it's my turn to roll the dice. And 1, 2, 3, roll it! It's 3. 1, 2, 3. So, it's difficult. Oh no. So, okay. Look at this. It's hot. You heard that? Okay, let's start the game. Hi. I'll give you 1 minute while I'm reading the title. Wait, I'll just put here. But there's many. Oh my goodness. stamping. Maybe. I know what's infinity. What has infinity? Wow. Hello, Kitty Mouse. Flash drive. Blah, blah, blah. Ear speaker. Wow. Wala. And then, in 3, 2, 1, start! Balloon pop? No. Pop. Okay. I said it already, balloon pop. It's the answer is pop. Yeah, I said it. Balloon pop. Balloon pop. Not pop. Oh, it's balloon pop. Wait, balloon pop? Pop. Oh, yeah. You said balloon pop, and then you said pop like that. No. Just shout up. Balloon? Roll your dice. Balloon? Not really. Never mind it. But 1. But I got it. Yeah, I know. 1. Not like this one. So it's place order. What? Like it's this? Like that. Like this one I can't understand. So it's like person, this? Place, or animals. Okay, go. Pick, pick, pick. A1. The third. No, I fixed it. Wait, this is what I got. Oh, oh. Person or animal. Oh yeah. Person, place, or animal. This one. This one. No, no, no. Yellow one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. Wait. This is for. Okay, Edward Jenkins. Oh, I like that. I don't like. Oh, but I like this. We have that already. I know that. This one. Okay, let's start. In 3. Whoa, wait, look. This is in 3. Wait, look for a minute. Yeah, I know. Okay. 2, 1. Until the time the circles or thing, okay? Seconds. Hey! So, what time is it? Adventure time. So, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's object. It's adventure time. Hello Kitty. Okay. Oh my! This what I have it. Oh my goodness! Teddy bear! The blue ones. Look. Oh my! That's creepy.
Oh my gosh.
Creepy but cute. La la loopsie. Hey, the time. Oopsie. Started. 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. What's this? I love baby pigs. Taylor. Julia. Finish. And 3.
Bobby,
Whoa,
Bobby, Bobby.
Furby. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
gosh.
My click. It's not very expensive anymore. 1, 2, 3. Look how much. Di ba dati 1,000 yan? I didn't edit. In 3, 2, 1. Slingshot. Okay. Look, it's the new Mariposa. Mariposa. Oh, we're tied! 2 or 2. So we can reach about to should get 11. Whoa, wait. First one to get 11. Let's get it. No, 10 or 20 until the video stops. Until it's here. We finish. Not 20. We'll get tired. This finish line. Fine. Where's the yellow? Oh, if the video cannot reach about the long game, we will just the end of this game. We'll just make a part 2. I love it. I love it. Can I borrow that magazine? Stay here, nerd. Whoa, it's a Hello Kitty, but here. Yeah, I know, right? So, gimme the paper. It's 3. Wait, where's the paper? It's 3. And 3. 2. Stop. Wait, pause. What the fudge? Oh yeah, again. And 3. So. That's it. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Where's your card? Oh, right here. Nakuha ko 6. Gusto na kayo sa papa. 6 pa rin. Done! 6. Done! You said done. Oh! Hey! And 3, 2, 1. Farm? Then. Okay, it's my turn. I just turned it to 6. Not tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really? Object. 6. You're from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, set the timer. There is the pencil.
It's in my ass.
In 3, 2, start the timer. Go. Oh, right. 3, 2, 1. Stop it.
Nakabili pa nga isa. May ako nabayaran. May ako maliit. Ito malaki.
Done.
May ako bayaran ha.
Done! I said done! I know, right? Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Stairs, ladders, no. Stairs, ladder? No. Ladders, no.
Snake and ladder.
Snake and ladders, no.
Dog and
Climb,
ladder.
no. I think you make it harder so I can't get a point. No! Staircase? No. Climb, jump, no. Up, no. Down, no. Upstairs, no. Downstairs, no. Way, no. I don't know. Step ladders. I don't know that. I shouldn't write it if I don't know it. It's not fair, you know. No, that's not fair. You know that's... I thought you know it. Replay. But I mean, again. Because it's not fair, dude. It's not fair. You know it's not fair. I mean, you forgot it's not fair. I roll the dice again. No. Not fair. Okay. Let's pick the game. No. Okay, ito mas madali. I keep saying in Filipino. Okay. In I will Barbie live. The bunch. Oh. And 3, 2, starting and start with my pencil. Okay. This is too easy. Like easy. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You're rocking the Sit down. Sit down.
You are disqualified.
Yeah. Sit down. You're rocking the Sit down. Sit down. You're rocking the You're rocking the toilet. Okay. 3, 2, I want for Christmas. It's starting again. Unfair. Okay. 3, you already saw it. 1. Show. Unfair. Here. Okay. Show. Why there's a Because I thought you're covering it. It's for nothing. Your turn! Okay, what's our point? Not tie. Beep! Why? Huh? It's not tie! I got it correct. I know! Okay. Why? What's my score? Just cover. That's not my fault. I got 3. Huh? Look at carefully. If it's Hallie, it means 9. You draw it, I guess it. W. Huh? Yeah, you draw it, I guess it. I think Clara looks is really evil but cute. Oh, I want it for Christmas. It's sticky stick. What do I want for Christmas? I can choose it. There's one for now. Never mind. Let's reach about 10. Wait, it's my turn to draw. I know! I'm so sorry. Where's the dice? Oh, it's yours! Dice. Oh. The fudge. What the fudge? There! It's your fault. It's your fault. 4. The pick here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Play. Place. Oh yeah. There's some place in animals. There's your pink around. Oh yeah. I think you can guess it, but you know it. Yeah. But I'm not cheating. Let's okay. Time of year starts now. I'll do it in Minecraft version. So you will know. I know it. It's an animal. It's an animal. It's an animal. It's an animal. If you can draw a train Minecraft version, maybe I'll know it. If I can't understand, it's no fair. Whee! No. Okay, I'm done. Watch my turn. And hey, it's not unfair. Should be 3. I forgot. You're 2. Good. Huh? Yeah. Why I'm 2? Look. Molly. Check. 1, 2, 3. What is that? It's ugly. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's unfair kasi. It's ugly. What is this? 3. No. Spider. Okay. Got it. And 4. We're fair. Okay. Up to 10. Hey. Wait. Wait, 3. Yeah, it's still 140. It's difficult. It's difficult. Wait. What is this? Mariposa. No. It's Mushika. Okay. What's Mushika? You should know this. What? It's it's difficult, so you can't like write it and say it like that. Yeah, it's because it's difficult. It's unfair sometimes if I don't know. 3, 2, 1. What a bunch. Is this me? Oh, yeah. Whoa! The locks. Ping. It just. Dude. Oh, I want something for Christmas. Should be. There should be. I think I want this one. Nope. Get lost. Done. I guess. In 3, 2, start. No, it's up again. You didn't get the right time. You should give me 5 seconds. 7. I'll just count later. The letters. Plus 7 na. Yeah. It's difficult. Mayor. Check. I give you some clue. Difficult. Difficult. Here in the green ones, there's a clue. There's a free kill badge. 500 plus 100 pesos worth of purchase at or at that store. Collect a total of 34 cents to get. Okay, Monday Big! Get to dice and roll it. It is 5. It's all play. So now I don't know Tinselis. What is that? Yeah, what is it's pretty hard. It's a planet for you can't understand. Hey. It costs something, dude. Buy 1 peso. Opened it. Should know this. Is that weird? All play. Difficult or not? No. Wait. Difficult. Now. The timer. 3, 2, 1, start. Oopsie. Stop looking. You're cheating. Done. I like really good. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, let me see it. Start. Every pan. No pan. No. Circle. No. Pan. No. What is it? Hello? Air! No!
Akala mo ako Akala mo Nandun daw.
Wait. Look at it now. cage. No. What is it?
Hindi ka kaya.
Meow.
May homework ba? Wala. Magtatapos mo yung ano na. Matulog na kaya. Gahalin ko yun.
Okay. Episode 2 coming up. Bye-bye.